my feet closer to yours. Catch my breath and I say, I'm the one you're looking for. So come on, dance a little dance. Take my hand, darling, take a chance. You be my queen, I'll be your king. Show you everything.
Hey bar family, welcome to another vlog. Thank you guys for joining us today. Thank you all for the continued support. We actually made another stop here at Saratoga Springs in New York. So I am going to show you the room that we're staying in. We're staying in another Hilton. This one's the Homewood Suites. So this one's a little bit of a bigger room. So I'll give you guys a little bit of a room tour. So guys, when you come in, you have a little kitchenette right here, and you have a refrigerator right here, full-size fridge it looks like, with a microwave, a little cooktop, as well as a sink and a dishwasher. We also have some cabinets right here it's fully stocked with diningware and cups, as well as a toaster. So that comes in handy, especially if you're staying a long time. We're only staying for a few hours pretty much because we got here really late. So we have some plates as well as paper towels. We have a coffee maker right here, as well as a dishwasher, which I wish we had more time because I would be washing some bottles. And then they give you a trash can. They also give you some stuff to wash the dishes with. As well as here's your silverware and your pots. Some of those pots look a little dirty, not gonna lie. So here's like a little desk area right here, a little sitting chair. There's also a long mirror right here. You have your thermostat. There's a door right there. We have our sofa right here. This sofa actually pulls out into a bed, I believe, so you could actually sleep 6 people in here because we did get the queen right here. We did get the queen beds, 2 queen beds, as well as a flat screen TV. So this room is actually pretty large, guys. Like, I have to say, it was one of the largest rooms we've stayed in. The one in Niagara was definitely the smallest. This is definitely the largest. I'll zoom out for you guys so you guys could get to see. And then guys, this is the bathroom. Right here you have your vanity area, which is separate from where the toilet and the shower is. They do give you here just like body lotion, shampoos, conditioners, as well as another body lotion right there. You have your full-size mirror right there. Let's see if there's anything in here. Your hair dryer. It doesn't look like they give you a lot of towels though. Oh, never mind. Okay, so here is the bathroom. You have some towels. They give you 3 towels, which I feel like is kind of odd because like it says 4 people as is, but you could really do 6, so they should probably give you an extra towel, but that's okay. The kids usually share anyway. Nice little walk-in shower, which we'll be putting the kids in here shortly. It's really late, so they're really tired. Over here, they do give you a hanger, laundry basket, as well as an iron, an ironing board, and a safe. And you have some hangers right here. The laundry basket, I'm guessing there's laundry on site. There isn't laundry in this room. There's no washer and dryer, so that probably has something to do with it being like a communal laundry. So if you are staying longer, that's great. So guys, that wraps up the room tour for the Homewood Suites in Saratoga Springs, New York. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. This is our last room tour of this Midwest trip. We're extremely tired. We're gonna go to bed now. Hope you guys are having a great day. Thank you guys for joining us, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.